Good evening and welcome to the video demonstration. The first implementation is in C#. As you can see in the summary, the classic classes and the two main functions, assign elevators and request elevator, and others method included. The test section, it's in the static void main method, as you can see. To run the application, just the console.run and hit enter. .NET run and hit enter. As you can see, the list of floors, it's created dynamically. And this is the scenario. Here, the scenario, he make stop over or to take the passenger from he's in 58 and go to 55. He make the stop and bring them to the RC. Same thing we're here in the basement. He make the stop to take the passenger and take him to the first to the RC. The second implementation, it's in Golang. As you can see, it's the same classes, but we talk about struct, not the classes. Here I make some function like a constructor to make the battery and the emitter. And the testing section, it's in the function, the main function. So to run this application, we do go run and the name of the file. And as you can see, the same result as C# and the other. We make the stop to bring the passenger and we go back to the first floor. Same thing in the basement. The final implementation, it's in Java. We run it. And as I can see, the same results. The generic partition. We make the stop to take the passenger from the 54 floor to bring it to the first floor. Same thing for the basement. And the testing section, it's in the main function. The logic to find the best elevator for the request elevator method. So a user is in the X floor or X basement and demands the elevator. So we create three lists. The first one, it's the elevator in movement. It's the priority number 1. And the second one, it's the elevator in idle statue. And the third one, it's the other cases, like an elevator in the opposite direction. And we implement a rating system to make the decision. The rating system, it's an integer an attribute in the elevator classes, and we put some calculation to base it in the direction you are where you are, basement or sky floors, the elevator position, the nearest will be bonified, and the floor number and the origin, this distance. So we have two distance to calculate between the request from the floor and the elevator, and the origin or the next destination will be much more right, the next destination of the elevator. So we fill the three lists and calculate the rating. If the first list elevator in movement, we sort the list and get the first one, else we sort the idle list and we get the best one, else we looking for another one. It will be the nearest for the floor number. For more detail, we can visit the readme file and the root of the repo. I define the contents of the repo and make some illustration. Thank you very much.